Check this out and use the simple CPA marketing strategy to make a lot of money online with CPA marketing. This is a very cool platform right now, which is actually known as the mailc.net. This is an amazing platform you can easily use to go on to sending emails and viewing emails. Now, a lot of people actually get a lot of engagement on the platform, and I'm going to show you how you can easily promote your CPA offers on this platform. As you can see right now, this platform actually works on coupon and hot deals right now. You can also go on to check in much more details about the platform if you do come onto the home page, that you could easily send and view emails right now. And if you actually go into viewing emails, you're going to getting some credit right now, and you can also go into using such credits to go into sending emails. Now, if you actually come onto the page, you can see much more details right here. It says when you're ready to send your own email, click on send mail and the menu at the top, and you can see that. You can also see much more details right now of viewing mails right now. You could easily go into getting promo code, and you can actually earn a lot of credits right here. So if I do go into clicking on view mail right now, it's going to take me to a page where I can actually go into seeing some mails that are available on the platform. You can see these are actually the advertisements of your unclaimed credit emails in the past 7 days. Only 10 ads are shown at a time to reduce the server load, and you can see that these are actually some mails. I can just simply click on claim credit. If I do click on that, it's going to go on to opening the mail folder, and you want to just simply take note of this countdown right now. Once this countdown actually runs down, I will easily be shown a simple quiz I actually need to do right now, or a simple puzzle right there. The puzzle is not actually going to take me any time right now. You can see it says click the matching icon. This is the icon which I actually have to click, the matching one, and I'm just going to click this one right here, and you can see I'm actually credited with 20 credits on my account right now. So once that has actually been done, I can easily go on to checking a new credit right now to claim another credit right there. So you can actually just wait for the countdown to actually run out. You're gonna see a mail right now on the particular platform. If you want, you can read through the mail. If you don't right now, just simply wait for the countdown to run out, and just simply going to selecting the matching icon. You can see that they're actually promoting something quite cool right now in this section. So if I just select the matching icon, you can see I've actually been credited with 20 credits. Now, for you to actually go into promoting your offers or to make money with CPA marketing on this platform, you just need to go on to checking out or making sure that your mail is actually one of these for people to complete. As you can see, I've actually made 2 clicks today and I've earned up to 40 credits. You can just simply go back, complete as many mails as you can, and actually boost in the amount of credit you'll be earning from such kind of platform right now. That's absolutely amazing. Take a look at this. This is loading up now. While this actually goes on, you just need to go on to grabbing a CPA marketing offer you want to promote right now, and you can easily grab the offer from a very cool platform like CPA Grip. Once you come onto CPA Grip, all you need to do is to sign up to the platform. It is absolutely easy to do that. You can then go on to log into the platform. If you log into the platform or you log into your account, you want to make sure you come onto this particular section by heading onto the offer tools section. Click on that, click on my offers, and you'll be brought to a page similar to this. Now you can select offers from any country of your choice. You can also select the category of the offer which you want to promote, and all you actually need to do is just simply go on to filtering your offers based on payout. Select a cool sweepstake offer. This is an example of a sweepstake offer that pays about $4,500 to your leads right now. You just need to download the image right now for this particular offer by saving the image on your device. Once that is done, you can see more details of the offer, that you need to promote this to people in the United States that uses Apple iOS devices, and all they need to do is to submit their email address while utilizing this your unique affiliate link to head on to the platform to complete the survey, and you're gonna get paid some cool affiliate commission for every person that fits into the category and does this offer. Now you can see that you're gonna get paid $1.02 for every person that actually completes the offer. All you need to do is to copy the link to the offer and create a simple landing page on platforms like systemy.io right now, or you could utilize platforms like GetResponse to create a simple landing page. Now, if you're finding it difficult creating a landing page, head on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon, and just simply go on to typing in landing page. Now once you do type this and click on enter, guys, it's going to show you some cool videos I created for you that easily creates or easily teaches you how to create landing pages on such kinds of platform. This is with Google site, this is with systemy.io, this is with Webflow, this is with Google's Cloud or Breezy Cloud. If you keep on scrolling through, you can actually do see more details about or more cool videos that easily teaches you how to create landing pages. Now once you've created a landing page and linked that to your CPA marketing offer, you then just simply have to come on to the platform which is called mailc.net to promote that. Now to promote that, guys, you just need to come right here, click on send mail. Now if you do click on send mail right now, you can see that you must click at least 5 mails or 5 members mails in order for you to send your email. As you can see right there, it says I have only 3 emails today, and I can actually go on to click into view more emails. So you just need to actually complete more emails right now, and this actually helps to ensure that people do go on to click in on more emails right now to claim more mails and get more credit. Now if you actually list your offer among that right now, a lot of people will be able to click on that because they actually intend on getting credit, and if they are doing so, they're going to be gaining access to your offer right now. And if they're actually interested, they can just simply complete the offer and you're gonna get paid some cool affiliate commission. So that's how cool that actually is right now. As you can see, I already have 4 mails clicked today, so I'm just gonna go on to completing the last one before I can just simply promote my offer on this platform right now. So guys, this one has actually been completed. Now I have about 5 clicks today and 100 credits. So all I need to do is to just simply head back to this section, and I can just simply go on to sending a mail. Now if I do send that mail right now, all I need to do is I can just simply go on to watching tutorials if I want. As you can see, to send your mail, simply fill out the subject and body of the email, then enter the link you are advertising in the box labeled message URL and the number of credits and so on and so forth. So take a look at these, guys. The page actually loading up. You want to just simply check out or fill out these details based on your preference, put in the title for the mail, actually going to inserting a simple description. Now the description you're actually going to be utilizing right now is supposed to be a very cool description that's going to drag the attention of a lot of audience right now. You just need to paste in the link to that your CPA offer or your landing page right here. You could also paste in the link right now in the description, link that to that particular offer, but make sure you use a very cool and detailed description that can drag a lot of people's audience. Fill out those appropriately, and you could just simply go on to sending your mail right now by clicking on send. So that's absolutely easy and a cool way to drive a lot of traffic to your offers on such kind of platform. And if you're looking for other ways to make money online, check out my channel OJ Marketing, because I usually create videos on cool ways to make money online. Now you could also make sure, guys, that you go on to liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.